Welcome to my visual home tours, a charming ranch-style home in the established Forest Lake community offering 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and close to 1,600 square feet of living space. Built in 1967, this one-level home features hardwood flooring, central heating/cooling, August 2011, new double-pane windows, 2011, and a functional floor plan designed for everyday comfort. The newly remodeled kitchen, 2023, comes equipped with a new stainless steel refrigerator, stove and built-in microwave, 2023, while the living areas provide a warm and inviting atmosphere. Freshly painted throughout the home. Sitting on a spacious 0.32-acre lot, the property includes a fenced yard, storage shed, and updated storm doors, 2011, plus a wired 2-car detached garage for added convenience. A blend of brick